Jay here. So now you know I couldn't stay away from exotics or keep driving around nice cars. I love cars. What do you want me to tell you? Okay, but hey, I want to make a video this morning, so I'm actually out driving around, but we got a lot of opportunities. We just embarked on a new journey. It's new for us. Yes, mobile home investing, always learning, always doing something new. But what that means is new opportunities for all of y'all, investors, students, anybody wanting to get into mobile home investing. So while I'm out here driving around, we're going to be posting a lot of this new updates coming up this following week. And if you want to connect with us, send us an email, j@garciamhu.com. But I'm about to order me some coffee, and let me know what you think about the last episode of Mobile Home Confessions and Cars. I could do a few more episodes, maybe later on, but I'm going to continue. Keep driving around, keep enjoying. About to order now. First time driving Maserati. Love it so far. I would say it's a mixture between a Rover and a Porsche. It's weird, but it handles phenomenal. So stay tuned for the updates.